This is the remote control of F5 Pro, which will bring a brand new operation experience. The front keys of the remote control from left to right, respectively, are emergency stop landing, throttle joystick, speed switch, photography, GPS return home, camera shooting, direction joystick, and a power switch. The functions on the top of the remote control are respectively from the left to the right, zoom in and out, turning up and down lamps. The charging port is on the bottom of the remote control. The icons on the LCD screen of the remote control, battery state of remote control, GPS signal intensity, remote control signal strength, photography, camera shooting, speed switch, status display, battery state of the aircraft, distance, height, flight speed, and ascent and descent speed. Note when the battery of remote control is low. The battery state icon of remote control will keep blinking. At this moment, please stop flying and charge the remote control immediately. App installation. Scan the corresponding QR code in the instruction manual. Download and install the app of aircraft. And use your cell phone to connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Open Loolinn Pro to enter into the operation interface. The app contains multiple operation functions. Back to initial interface. Automatic takeoff. GPS return home. More functions. GPS following. Image following. Points of interested flight. Waypoint flight. Gesture photography. Gesture shooting. Zoom. Angle adjustment. One key fly far. One key skyrocketing. One key spiral. Vertical screen photograph. Filter. Music. VR split screen. Compass interface. When there's no interference, the aircraft indicates 0. Remote battery. GPS signal. Battery state of aircraft. Setting. SD card state. Shooting function. Shutter. Media library, sharing with one button. Recording. Distance, meter. Height, meter. Speed, meter per second. Thank you for watching an instruction video of remote control and app for F5 Pro.